Right, on this video, we would like now to sketch the function f of x equals to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6. We would want to sketch it. From the previous videos, we have managed to find, to determine in this case, f of x equals to 0. This will give us the x intercepts, and we agreed that the x-intercepts are given by x equals to 3, x equals to 1 over 2, and x equals to minus 2. Those are the x-intercepts. Then after the x-intercepts, we will also need to find the turning points. From the previous from the previous lesson, we also checked how to find the turning points. We say f dash of x is equals to 0. You differentiate once, then you equate it to 0, and we found our turning points to be 1.94 and minus 12.03. Then we also found the other turning point to be minus 0.94 and 12.03. This is the other turning point. And finding the difference, can you see that the y value here is smaller and this is bigger? So the one with the bigger y value, it becomes our maximum turning point, and this one becomes the minimum turning point. Now going forward, we also need to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept, you find it by finding f of 0. That is to say, where there is x on f of x, you put 0. 0 there, and there, which means you'll be left with at 6. Therefore, the coordinates of the y-intercept will be at 0 and 6. Right now, so as we can as we plot the y-intercept, it means our y-intercept is here at 0 and 6. Then putting the x-intercepts, we have x equals to 3. X equals to 3, that's here. Then we also have x equals to 1 over 2. This is 1, which means 1 over 2 is here. 1 over 2. Then we also have x equals to minus 2. X equals to minus 2 is also there. Then let's also plot in our turning points. We said our maximum is at minus 0.949. So it's minus 0.94. Minus 0.9 is almost next to minus 1. And the y coordinate is 12.03. 12.03, just above 12, somewhere there. That is a maximum turning point, which means our graph here will have a maximum turning point like that one. Right, then the minimum is at 1.94. 1.94, almost close to 2 here. Then with a minimum of 12.03, 12 is here, 0.03 will be somewhere there. Remember, we are sketching. So by sketching, it means we are showing all the important points, which include the turning points and the intercepts. Right, so this one is a minimum, therefore it will be like this. So we can actually see the shape of the graph. From there, it turns there, passes through the y-intercept, the x-intercept, it turns there, then it goes back there. So let's sketch it nicely, which means here it will start from minus 2, then it goes, turns back there, passes through my y-intercept, my x-intercept at half, then it goes to the minimum turning point, then it goes, passes through 3 there, then it goes forever. Then the same applies here again, it must go again there forever. So this is the This is the how you sketch it, and you must also normalize writing the coordinates of your turning points. 1.94 and minus 12.03. Then our maximum turning point there will be at minus 0.94 and 12.03. That's how we sketch our graph. Thank you so much. May you also watch the next video when I'm determining the point of inflection. God bless you.